Assalamualaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Hajj 2021. Pakistan requests Saudi Arabia to register Chinese vaccine. The government of Pakistan requested Saudi authorities to register the Chinese vaccine COVID-19 vaccine for Hajj 2021. Sindh government extends COVID restriction in province for another 2 weeks. Sindh government has decided to extend COVID restriction in the province for another 2 weeks amid a spike in virus cases, with shops to remain open until 6 p.m. Federal provincial capital among 52 districts report higher COVID positivity than 5%. Overall, 52 districts, including federal and provincial capitals of the country, have been reporting over 5% of the COVID positivity ratio. IMF proposes $50 billion plan to end the pandemic. The IMF on Friday proposed $50 billion plan to end the COVID-19 pandemic, with a target of vaccinating at least 40% of the world's population by the end of 2021. KP Health Department start COVID-19 vaccination of overseas Pakistanis. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Health Department has commenced the COVID-19 vaccine of overseas Pakistani. The Health Department announced that those citizens working in foreign countries are allowed to get COVID-19 jobs. It added overseas Pakistani aged above 18 years are being administered vaccines. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.